My name is Khoi Than, and I am an executive committee member of the Congress of Neurological Surgeons. Along with CNS past president Dr. Russell Lancer, I co-chair the SANS Written Boards Review course. After matching into neurosurgery residency, the written boards are your first step to becoming a board-certified neurosurgeon. The CNS has developed an awesome written boards course with an all-star lineup of faculty. This course goes over all facets that will be covered on the written boards, including trauma and critical care, spine surgery, neuropathology, brain tumors and skull base, vascular neurosurgery, peripheral nerve, pediatric neurosurgery, and pain and functional neurosurgery. The course this year is taking place on January 21st, 2023. The course is virtual. We invite you to join us. If you are a residency program coordinator, there is an option to register multiple residents for the course at once. Instructions on how to do so are available on the course landing page on the CNS website. See you in January.